Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Discover It Card, complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, open your web browser on your computer or smartphone.
In the address bar, type in discover.com and press enter. Once the Discover homepage loads, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the screen.
Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see two fields prompting for information. In the first field, enter your username. Make sure to double-check for any typos. In the second field, type in your password. Again, check for accuracy to avoid login issues. If you're using a shared device and want to save your login information, you can check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your information. If your login is successful, you'll be taken to your Discover account dashboard. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link below the login fields. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your username or password. If you encounter issues logging in, ensure that your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache or trying a different browser. Once logged in, you can manage your account, check your balance, and access various features available for your Discover It card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.